Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this clip art of this tree, and a couple of things. When he tries to fill it in with black, these three parts get filled in also. Well, if I've been using Corel long enough where I can see double lines a lot of times and stuff, so we'll go to arrange and break curve apart, and there's double lines there. That's his problem. Now let's try it. I'm going to right click, still fills it in. So what you can do, let's make sure there's not double lines everywhere. Nope, it was just on those three. So there's a quick way and a slow way, well, slower. Take your Smart Fill tool and fill in that bad part of the tree. I'm going to nudge it out of the way. You could Smart Fill it all in, but there's 15 objects you'd have to Smart Fill. So then take this part of the tree and just delete it because you've already got it Smart Filled. Then take these three objects and delete them. Then you can take this and left click your mouse and then right click your mouse, no outline, and then nudge it over, and there's your tree with those three parts not filled in. And then let's go to arrange, and yours might say object order back a page, and there's a transparent with those three sections not, well, they're transparent, they will not engrave. Anyway, I hope that answered his question. Thank you.